Question number 4 from the book STP Mathematics 3A. In this question, we need to find angle X. Again, if we look at here in the question, it becomes a parallelogram, which is A, B, C, D. In parallelogram, the adjacent angles add up to 180 and opposite angles add up to opposite angles are equal. Or if we go for the parallel lines rule, this is the parallel line to this, so ADE parallel to BC. If we consider this is the transversal line, which is AB, it cuts these two lines at A and B. So it becomes supplementary angles, and according to supplementary angles, we had the rules, we add them, it would be equal 180. So it becomes 180 minus 170, 110, so it becomes 70. 180 minus 110, it is 70. Now, if we look at here, if these are two parallel lines, and this is the transversal line, which is ADE. According to parallel lines rule, if two lines cut by a line which is called the transversal line, the corresponding angles are equal. So 1 equal 5, 2 equal 6, so on. So this angle must be equal this angle, which is corresponding angles according to parallel lines rule. So x equal 70. Question number 5. This question is about the vertical angles, which we know that opposite vertical angles are equal. So this complete angle, which is vertical, this complete angle, they must be equal. If they are equal, so it must be x plus 75 must be equal 120. So plus transfer 75 transfer there, it becomes 120 minus 75, which is 120 minus 75, 45. So x equal 45 degree. Question number 6. Again, it's about the parallel lines, and this is the transversal line. So we are given two parallel lines, which is AC, DF. These two parallel lines cut by the line GH at the angles B and E. We need to find X. We are given the exterior angle 125. So we know that on a straight lines, angle add up to 180. So 180 minus 125, which is equal 180 minus 125, 55. So this angle equal 55. Now, according to the parallel lines rule again, the corresponding angles are equal. So if this is 55, it must be 55 degree. Question number 7. Angles around a circle add up to 360. Angles around a point add up to 360. We are given one angle, so rest of two angles, x and x. If we add them, 1x plus x plus 110 must be equal 360. 1x equal 2x. This positive transfer there becomes minus. So 360 minus 110, which give you 250. So this is multiplication. When you transfer, it becomes division. So x equal 250 divided by 2. So x equal 125 degree. So each angle equal 125 degree. Question number 8. We need to find angle x. Here you can find again with the two rules. Either you can use the triangle, add up to 180 total angles, or using the remote angle method, exterior angle, which is called the remote angle, must be equal add up to opposite interior angle. If we add these two angles, they must be equal 180. So we are given 118, 52, but we need to find out x. So how can we find x? That must be equal 118 minus 52, which is equal 118 minus 52 give you 66. Or you can go straight line, add up to 180. So 180 minus 118, you will find this angle. Then we know all the angle add up to 180. So 180 minus these two angles, you will find this angle. Or the exterior angle must be equal the sum of opposite two interior angle. So 118 must be equal, add up these two angles. So 52 plus 66 give you 118. So we are given 118 minus 52, we will find this angle, which is 66 degree.